Are you suffering from open pores? We have found one of the best ways to shrink up your open pores. Great day, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dr Ingky, your digital skin doctor, and welcome to the Skynfyx platform, whereby we educate you on the latest skincare product and help you with your skin issues. Now today, we'll be talking about open pores and how do we actually shrink them. But before that, let's talk about the pores themselves. What are they and why are they so difficult to treat? The skin is the largest organ on your body, and you have millions of pores all over your body. However, your face have the highest concentration or the highest densities of pores. In any given person, your face consists of hundreds of thousands of teeny tiny pores. Now, what are pores? They are actually opening to the insides of your skin. Now, it's impossible to actually get rid of all your pores. You need your pores because the pores maintain certain functions. Through sweating, it can cool your skin down. The excretion of sebum would then nourish your skin, hydrate your skin, and as well as repair anything's wrong on top of your skin. And let's not mention about the fine hairs that pop out. So pores are an issue, definitely. Alright? A lot of times, a lot of people message us, "Doctor, how do I reduce my pores? I have open pore problem. What should I actually do about it?" I have a very simple question to ask you, and I want you guys to type the answer in the comments below. Alright? The question is, can pores open or close? If you want to know the answer, stay tuned at the end of the video and I'll let you know whether a pores can actually open or close. Now, open pores is not really a medical concern. It's more of a cosmetic concern, especially in a lot of people who apply makeup. Open pores is difficult. Another issue with all these open pores is you get things like blackheads or small whiteheads popping out of the pores. Now, why do your pores appear larger than it is inside? It's because most of the time there's something stuck in a pore. When there's something stuck inside the pore, it stretches the skin and hence your pores look slightly larger. Another reason why your pores might look a little bit larger is probably because of scarring. Scarring due to trauma, accidents, infections, or maybe due to acne as well. And some of this scarring will stretch the pore open and hence you have an appearance of an open pore. So there are many different ways to actually shrink up your pores, depending on what is the main concern of the pores. If it's due to excessive sebum or something stuck inside the pores, all you need to do is reduce the sebum, exfoliate the skin, unclog the pores, and the pores would shrink up. If it's due to scarring due to trauma or infection, then you need slightly more active or an aggressive approach like a chemical peel or a laser to shrink the pores. However, what we notice in most people is usually due to excessive sebum. Now, the next question some of you might ask is, what causes an increase in sebum production? Now, the main core of increased sebum production is generally due to genetics. Some people are just born with more hyperactive sebum glands or sebaceous glands. However, there are other factors that actually affect the amount of sebum being produced by your skin. Hormonal, age, skincare, weather, many different kinds of reasons. Now, as long as you can control those reasons or you can reduce those particular issues, sebum will be reduced and your pores will look smaller. Now, the answer to whether your pores can open or close, the answer is your pores cannot change in size on its own. It's not like a flower whereby it blooms and it opens up and it closes at the end of the day. Now, the key to reducing open pores caused by sebum being blocked in the pores is actually to exfoliate the sebum. Now, how do you actually do it? There are a couple of ways, but the best way is my friend over here. Now, introducing the Laneige Mini Pore Water Clay Mask. Now, this water clay mask is something a little bit different than most clay masks that you see outside. Majority of the clay masks you see outside consists of kaolin or red clay. It really dries up the skin. However, what we like about this particular clay mask is it contains a hydrating factor as well. It means not only does it absorb the excess sebum, exfoliate dead skin cell, it also rehydrates the skin so that you do not end up with a dehydrated skin. Alright, so let's talk about the properties of this particular water clay mask. Now the key ingredient in this water clay mask, it is yellow sea mineral mud. It's one of the most powerful pore-absorbing ingredient in the market, and it consists of 1,400 milligrams of the yellow sea mineral mud. Now, however, after absorbing the excess sebum and unclogging your pores, it also contains mint water. Yes, mint water actually helps moisturize and rehydrate your skin, especially after most of the sebum has been absorbed by the clay. It also contains two additional ingredients. One is natural mineral mud, whereby it contains natural mineral mud from Shinan, China, and this actually absorbs excessive sebum without over-drying the skin. It also contains pine needle extract to assist in the sebum absorption without over-drying the skin. Alright, so let's have a look what's inside. Now, in this, it's quite a large one actually. So it's written here at the back, Laneige Mini Pore Water Clay Mask, benefit pore cleaning, skin type, all skin type, main features, mint water and pine extract, a pore mask that removes sebum with moist water clay, 70 ml. So the thing that I actually like about the packaging and all, it's very simple and clear cut. It doesn't contain too many words. It tells you what its main benefits are and what is it used for, and more importantly, what it does. Inside the box itself also contains a few other things. First of all, it's instruction booklet, and it contains a small mini sponge, right? Whereby after you've applied the clay mask, you can actually soak it, wet it, and remove the excess clay from your skin. You do not want to leave any excess clay there, as it will dry your skin even further. Now, let's try out the product, shall we? Let's open up, and now it smells really good, alright? Like most clay masks has that very chalky kind of smell. This one, it actually doesn't have. Now, one of the issues is it doesn't have a spatula or a scoop, so we brought our own. Now, in terms of texture, it's not as thick or as difficult to scoop out compared to most clay masks. And due to the fact it has mint water, when you apply it, it's much easier to apply. And like majority of the clay masks, it's nice and cooling. How should you apply this? Wash your skin, dab it dry, and apply a very thin layer of this water clay mask throughout your entire face for 20 to 30 minutes. Use it only once a week. Maximum you can do is twice a week. Now, one of the issues with using too much clay mask is it might over dry your skin. So even though it has mint water, do not abuse it, do not overuse it. Once, twice a week is good enough. Now, after you have washed it off with water, you can even use a cleanser, or you can even use the sponge provided. Make sure all the mud is actually removed from your skin, and then carry on with your skincare routine. Now, one of the main issues with removing clay mask is sometimes it gets a little bit difficult. It gets stuck on your skin. So use warm water, not cold water, not hot water, but warm water, because the temperature of the water will be able to melt off the mask from your skin much easier. Alright, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, one of the better products in the market to help shrink up your pores, especially if you're suffering from open pores. Don't forget to let me know in the comments below if you're using any other product, whether it's this clay mask or any other clay mask or anything in the market which has been proven to shrink up your pores. So let me know in the comments below. Now that's the end of our video. Remember to subscribe and turn on the bell button, because we release new videos on a weekly basis. And do let us know in the comments below whether you like or dislike this video. And until next time, I'm Dr. Ingky, your digital skin doctor, and remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay informed. Are you tired of wasting time and money on your skin, but nothing works? We are here to help. Skynfyx is a platform that provides personal care education completely free. Skynfyx is run by skin doctors and skincare experts. You can chat and consult with our skin doctors without ever leaving your home. Other than free advice, Skynfyx also provides tailor-made solutions for your skin problem with customized medical-grade skincare delivered right to your doorstep. Skynfyx, your digital skin doctor.